Hey guys, in this video I'll be explaining to you on how you can transfer a ticket on a Ticketmaster. It's really easy and simple, so you can either do this through the website or the Ticketmaster app. And if you're going to do this through the Ticketmaster app, what you're going to do, of course, is open up the Ticketmaster app first things first and then sign into your account. And then what you're going to be doing, guys, is you want to be tapping on the My Events icon option and then just select the event to view your tickets. Then you want to go ahead and just tap on the transfer option. And if the transfer button is grayed out, what you want to do is you want to understand that your tickets are not eligible for transfer. So for that, then you cannot do anything. But if this button is not grayed out and you can actually click on it, you want to select the tickets you'd like to transfer and tap transfer to. You want to enter your recipient's information, including their mobile number or email address. You could even add a note too if you want, and then just tap transfer ticket. And your transfer tickets will basically show into your account as transfer pending. And once the recipient has accepted them, guys, you'll receive an email confirming that the ticket has been accepted. And basically, after a successful ticket transfer, the ticket in your account is no longer valid for an event entry. And if you want to do this from the website, what you can do, of course, sign into your account, click on view upcoming events, select your event, and just click on transfer. Then you want to select the tickets you'd like to transfer, and the same process, just enter your recipient's information, including their email address. If you want, you can add a note and then just click on confirm. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.